In today's episode, we'll be taking a look at some genuinely useful car accessories which, most importantly, won't cheapen the look of your vehicle's interior. So, buckle up and let's get started. Most car gadget lists focus on tacky-looking, cheap accessories that make your vehicle's interior chintzy and garish. Moreover, these lists are compiled on the basis of a channel owner receiving affiliate commissions or sponsorships. At Car Extras, we have no connection to any of the companies listed and are not receiving financial reward for the products shown. We just happen to think they're worthy of receiving consideration. First up, the 3D Mats USA website. Essentially, rather than traditional car floor mats, these are sculptured liners which better protect the front and rear seat footwells in a vehicle. In the UK, the company has an equivalent site, while other vendors offer similar products, particularly for 4x4 vehicles. For marketing purposes, they're often referred to as 3D, 5D, or even 7D mats. However, 3D Mats USA stands out as the supplier offering the highest quality product. For European owners, not all makes and models are covered, but their selection is still wide and provides a good alternative to usual car floor mats. Next up is Decathlon's Quechua cooler bag, which, as well as coming from a trusted sports retail chain in Europe, meets its brief of keeping your drinks and food cool for up to 9 hours without ice packs. We think the 30-litre variant has the best price-to-usage ratio, being lightweight, comfortable to carry, and having a 2-year guarantee. It's big enough to hold drinks and food for up to 6 people, while its design is modern and stylish. For a number of years, Noco's lithium jump starters have proven themselves to be the most powerful and reliable products in their segment. The company's GB40 starter delivers 1000 amps for jump-starting a dead battery in seconds and can also be used to recharge your personal devices like smartphones, tablets, e-watches and more using the built-in USB out connection. More reasonably priced than ever and with some useful feature upgrades, we think it's a must-have for any garage or long road trip. As new cars are now more expensive than ever and with vehicle theft increasing, our next item is a low-cost option to protect your pride and joy. The dual purpose of the Defender signal blocker is to combat 2 of the biggest security and safety issues, namely relay attacks on vehicle fobs and distracted driving caused by mobile phone use. By creating a Faraday pouch, it contains the radio signals emitted by keyless entry fobs in a signal-blocking metallic lining, thereby reducing the risk of thieves cloning the signal and stealing your car. Inexpensive to buy, the Defender version is our choice, being made from a unique RPF material which also protects smartphones and credit cards. In terms of boot or trunk storage, we think this practical folding box is very reasonably priced. Holding up to 35 litres of shopping, drinks or toys, it has a robust center partition, sturdy padded carrying handles, and a separate mesh pocket for smaller items. Measuring 50 by 32 by 27 centimeters, each box costs €18 and comes in 3 color choices. With a fashionable look, it's a winner as far as we're concerned. If you've ever lost your car keys, then Chipolo's one-point trackers are a godsend. Teaming up with Google to create an item tracker that works exclusively with Android's Find My Device network, it attaches directly to a keyring. Through your phone, you can then make the Chipolo point sound with a loud melody to locate it easily. And, if it's not in the immediate vicinity, mark it as lost and alert other Chipolo community users whose enabled handsets will help guide you to its position. Tile have a similar offering, but we chose Chipolo's version as the internal battery is replaceable. Vogel is a brand most associated with TV and speaker brackets, but its tablet car pack is a lifesaver for keeping children entertained on long journeys. Making it easy to securely attach a tablet in a comfortable viewing position to the back of a headrest, It fits all tablets from 7 to 13 inches, providing each front seat is equipped with exposed headrest rods. Granted, the product is not cheap, but its quality is marked out by a 5-year guarantee. As an alternative, Lamicall offers a cheaper rotatable and extendable version, which is equally impressive. For a stylish, unobtrusive smartphone cradle, which securely attaches to an air vent, Belkin's offering is compatible with most car vents and can securely grip any phone sized up to 5.5 inches. The holder can be rotated through 180 degrees, so you can easily change between portrait and landscape modes. Supplied by a familiar and trusted brand, the mount comes with a 2-year guarantee. Next up, for anyone requiring multi-device charging on the move, Aukey's CCY16 is a dual USB-A and single USB-C car charger, allowing you to fast charge 3 devices at the same time. Intelligently distributing power to provide optimal charging, the unit is rated at 36 watts and can be used to supplement integrated OEM USB connections by instead using the car's standard 12-volt or 24-volt power socket. Lastly, TP-Link's Dinky Mobile 4G Wi-Fi hotspot unit offers connection of up to 10 devices and 8 hours of battery life. With up to 150 megabits per second download speeds and 50 Mbps uploads, it's possible to enjoy HD movies and video calls without interruption. Crucially, the product is equipped with a micro SD card slot for up to 32 gigabytes of optional storage. If you've enjoyed this episode, tell us which car accessories, such as child seats, mobile phone holders and boot storage you'd like to see featured, and we'll do our best to provide product reviews in upcoming videos.